Well, let's talk about this idea of a multiplier. This is slowly turning into kind of my favorite question that we ask, because we get such a diverse, just just a very broad range of responses and answers. And has there anything have you used anything that's helped you multiply your success?
Yeah, I think I'm hesitant to say it because I feel like because it's what I do, it's a little bit of a cop out, but I'm going to say it because it's really what I think is true is that understanding automation and how to use it effectively has been a huge multiplier for me. Uh, Having seen it been done effectively and being able to have others experience it being done effectively, I think the ability to magnify a positive aspect of your business and in that sense multiply its ability to make change on the world. There are a few things that I've come across that have that potential, uh, beyond automation.